We're in Talkeetna, Alaska, and there's a flood watch. We're on a flood watch right now. The Talkeetna is a confluence of the Talkeetna, Susitna, and Chulitna River, and evidently there's torrential rains up in the mountains, and it's causing this problem here. Here's the town of Talkeetna right here, and normally the tourists go down and look at the river, but they don't have very far to go right now. It's very close to the town. The whole area is in a flood zone, and we're on a flood watch. Torrential rain up in the mountains.